Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the features and performance of the Goldshell AL box. Let's get started. Let's unbox and see what we have. Inside this carton box, cushioned with cotton foam, you'll find the Goldshell AL box along with a Wi-Fi receiver and a warranty card. This unit boasts a hash rate of 360 GH/s using the Blake 3 algorithm, striking a balance between power and efficiency with just 180 watts of power consumption. It's also impressively quiet at 35 dB and weighs in at 2.5 kilograms, including packaging. To get started, first connect the AL box to power using a C13 interface and hook it up to your network. Then, set up your mining pool, worker name, and mining address from the backend. Your miner is now ready to go. Once set up, the AL box consistently hits a hash rate of 360 GH/s, maintains a power draw of about 180 W, and keeps noise levels low at 35 dB. Plus, it can connect via Wi-Fi, adding flexibility for home mining setups. Before we discuss earnings, let's talk about Alephium. Alephium is a unique blockchain platform that supports smart contracts and decentralized applications, designed for scalability and security. As of today 1/60 May 2024, the price of Alephium stands at $1.91, which plays a crucial role in calculating mining profitability. Back in the mining pool dashboard, you can monitor your AL box's performance, check the number of active miners, and view total hash rate and daily earnings. Here's a graph of today's earnings, influenced by the current price and mining difficulty of Alephium as of May 16, 2024. Keep in mind, your actual earnings will vary based on Alephium price volatility, changes in mining difficulty, electricity costs, and pool fees. In conclusion, the Goldshell AL box sets a new standard for mining efficiency and performance. Whether you're new to mining or an experienced operator, it offers significant value. Thank you for watching this review brought to you by DCE Tech, Happy Mining, and we look forward to bringing you more updates. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications. Visit www.dceminer.com for more insights. See you next time.